Bulavinaka, Fiji. Today, the 17th of October, marks the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty, with the theme Building Forward Together, Ending Persistent Poverty, Respecting All People in Our Planet. 2021 has been a significant year for Fiji. The whole nation has been coupled with the impacts of COVID-19 pandemic, which has not only shaken the foundations of our health, education and economic systems, but we've also faced new challenges, struggles which have turned into opportunities for the betterment and the advancement of all men, women, youth and children from all walks of life. In these unprecedented times, we are living in and considering the unwavering efforts and support of governments, non-government organizations move towards poverty reduction in Fiji. We must continue to uphold the signature principle of the 2030 Sustainable Development Goal, SDG, in leaving no one behind. The ultimate purpose of this international observance is to promote dialogue and understanding between people living in poverty and their communities. This day presents an opportunity for me to sincerely acknowledge the collective efforts and commitments of all stakeholders from across government ministries and departments, our development partners, institutions, non-government organizations, civil society organizations, and individuals in the forefront of this global fight against poverty. The Fijian government has over the years focused on efforts to improve access to services for all Fijians living in our rural and maritime communities. Poverty alleviation programs implemented by relevant government ministries include improving access to clean, safe water and sanitation, providing access to electricity through investment in rural electrification projects of renewable energy, ensuring that all Fijian children have access to quality education through programs such as the tuition fee-free grant, transfer assistance, and the tertiary education loan scheme, free textbooks, just to name a few. Safeguarding the health and well-being of our citizens through improving access and quality of public service health, investing in our social welfare system, which continues to ensure that targeted support is provided for vulnerable Fijians in need, where social protection programs have been expanded from welfare allowances to support the living expenses of needy families, the elderly, the disabled persons, pregnant women. Increasing access to affordable housing through the construction of new housing units, while also encouraging home ownership through the provision of financial support for new home constructions and or purchase through the First Home Owners Initiative. Engaging the unemployed in nature reforestation work. Concessional finance support packages was provided to aid micro, small and medium enterprises in Fiji. Fiji Development Bank COVID-19 Recovery Credit Guarantee Scheme disbursement. In response to COVID-19, our government has allocated substantial resources for containment and treatment of the virus, while also providing necessary financial support to minimize economic disruptions. This included measures to boost disposable incomes, assist businesses' cash flows, protect employment, and sustain livelihoods of those adversely affected by the crisis. We also acknowledge the work carried out by our development partners, non-state actors, faith-based and civil society organizations who have complemented our government's initiatives to ensure that we leave no Fijian behind. Poverty is a multifaceted development issue. Fiji, among other developing countries around the globe, continue to maintain its fight through harmonized efforts of the Fijian government and all stakeholders in addressing the underlying root causes. Therefore, the Fijian government, through its National Development Plan, 5 and 20-year plan, articulates an inclusive socio-economic development approach to further improve the living standards of all our Fijians under the umbrella theme of eradicating poverty. With the rapid developments and reforms that Fiji has undergone over the years, it is crucial to identify the transformative change or impact of government's investments, the socio-economic relevant incentives, benefits, projects, and programs that have contributed towards the livelihoods and lives of every man, women, children, disabilities, and senior citizens in Fiji. More importantly, ladies and gentlemen, in achieving the Sustainable Development Goal 1, in ending poverty in all its forms through everywhere, through a multi-sectorial approach. In conclusion, echoing this year's theme, Building Forward Together, Ending Persistent Poverty, Respecting All People in Our Planet, unquote. It is a call to each and every actor in Fiji to work together and nurture relationships with respect for one another, dismantling structures of discrimination that disadvantage people who are vulnerable to poverty, and building the moral with legal framework of human rights that places human dignity at the heart of policy and action. We can take Fiji forward with the richness of agriculture sector, fisheries, tourism sectors, and embracing rural development, empowerment, and sustainable growth as we strive towards poverty reduction in Fiji. And of course, added to this is the unmatched resilience of our Fijian people. God bless you all, and thank you very much.